Hello and welcome, developers. My name is Shay, and this is another episode of Shay Develops. Today we're going to talk about Java primitive data type Booleans. Pretty much it'd be a quick video just about, like I said, the Boolean data type, primitive data type, just true and false values. So unlike other languages, let me make this a little bigger for you guys to see. Unlike other languages, there's no truthy and falsy values in your booleans. It's just true or false. So let's create a couple of booleans. And to do that, we just use the keyword boolean, and we're going to do true value equals true, and another value false value equals false. And that's basically it, except for it goes a little deeper, of course, right? So you can have your wrapper class, which is Boolean, which allows you to do other things, but we're not gonna get into that in this video. We will be in later videos if you guys want to catch that. But you don't have to store just a true and false value. You can also store a method that returns a true or false value. Let me show you that. So let's create two ints, right? We're going to have int x equals 10 and int y equals 7. And then we're going to, and well, that's actually too many. We'll just do the wrapper class for integer. We'll make that a y and set that equal to 7. So that way we can do y dot equals, and it's going to return a true or false value. So we can do a Boolean a equals y dot equals, and then we can see if it's equal to x. And then if it's equal to x, it'll print out true. If it's not, it's going to print out false. And let's go ahead and hit Shift F10. We're going to run that. Give it just a second. Here we go. And you'll see we got false because 7 doesn't equal 10. But let's say, make that just a 7. Run that again, and we should get true like we do. So you can, with booleans, you can initialize and declare the boolean variable as true or false, or you can set a method from another class. You could even create your own if you wanted to, and then as long as you were returning a true or false value within there, you can set the boolean to the returned value. So like say we tried to say add a equals to like 5, like a string of 5 or an integer 5, so we get an error and none of that stuff works. Alright, so hopefully you understand how booleans work in Java. Understand that there's no truthy or falsy values. So if you go in and you do like an if statement, if you can't do like say we set a string to true, this is not going to work just because it's declared and initialized. Where in stuff like JavaScript, it would work because it would convert that being declared and initialized as a truthy value. So Java doesn't have those. So if you're familiar with C#, it's kind of the same way. It doesn't have those either. All right, but hopefully you guys learned something. I really appreciate you watching the video. Leave a comment down below if there's something you want to learn about in Java. I'll be going over creating a bunch of Java courses, or not necessarily courses, but videos here soon, and maybe even a Java course in the future. Also, if you want to help me out, you can like, subscribe, hit the notification icon. You guys, I'm sure you've used YouTube before. You know how all that works. Also, I've got a book for sale in the Amazon Kindle platform. It's for HTML5 Learning and Reference Guide. It may not be relevant to you, but it might be relevant to some other people. So if you're interested, it's $2.99. It helps me out some. It helps me create more videos. So that's super awesome of you if you guys purchase that. I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all have a great day and keep coding.